Welcome and hello. We have such a banger today. Odd Mob OMNOM PHVRA Lip Remake. That's a lot of words right there, but you already know this is going to be in the Patreon. The whole project will be there. Lots of hat tricks, the bass wubs, the flows, the rhythms. Let's just listen.
I think I'm losing control. I think I'm losing control. I think I'm
Losing control. You know what it is. We're getting in hot and heavy. We're going to go over how to make these basses, these wubs. There's some automation going on with the rate, and also we'll go over the hats too, because hats are really important. Using a drum rack and just really getting groove and rhythm with different hats. So first off, I used Ableton to get the stems, to get the vocals and like the build up. And it's really easy to separate stems now in Ableton. You could just right click any audio clip and hit separate stems, in case you guys didn't know. But yeah, we're gonna go over the drums as well. And first things first, the basses. I wanted to show you guys, we can be measuring this and using the best limiter in the world, Pro L, to kind of push things to the final level. I can go to this preset, vocals natural limiting, which is really clean, and check it out. Now we have some headroom here with the limiter, so you just turn this up. The serum patch is simple. We have a sine wave, and then we have this FM wavetable. Let me show you the notes. We're in G minor as well, G harmonic minor. The main root note's this G, and we're in octave 0. And then we do the 7th right before to start it off. So it goes low, high, and then it repeats every 2 bars. Alpha 1 is being used here on the filter. We're using MG Low 12. Cutoff is at 142, and you put the LFO on it to go up 44%. Resonance 24%. A and B are turned on. Drive is 22. And this is making the wub. Listen without it. Just a sustained sound because these levels, and then we turn the filter on. So load up just a sine wave. You can go to the basic shapes, or you can just move your wavetable position up if you're on the default. And then octave -1. Oscillator B is octave 0. And then we go here to digital FM. That has really nice harmonics, really finishes it off. And we're moving the wavetable position to 121, but we can kind of move this knob however we want to get different basses and different tones at any time, which is great. PD from B is on, but we're not using it, so you don't have to worry about that. And we have some effects here. Let me turn off the effects. So we have just the oscillators and the filter here. Now, I'm sure you're already wondering about the speed of this, so I want to show you that automation right away. This rate knob is being automated. I click the rate knob, I click the automation lanes, and then I can start automating or viewing my automation. We start here on quarter, and then we go to a triplet, 1/8 triplet real quick. And then this is all happening in half a bar. Okay, so the first snare will hit at 33.3, and that's when the main speed starts, which is 1/8. So dirty, so fast and quick. So cool. So you want to do that automation, turn triplet on here, make sure that's on. And you're going to have to move this level to 35% on oscillator B. Oscillator A is 75% at default. Also, I do have pitch tracking on. the filter. So when the notes change, the filter will also track the pitch and change frequencies. So that's great. Turn on this little keyboard to do the key tracking. I still want a little bit more loudness, so I could just go ahead and add a EQ, kind of boost these higher frequencies. So this is the first bass, all right? The second bass is a duplicate of the first. I just duplicated bass 1, renamed it to bass 2. And we're using the same notes, same automation, but we're changing the patch slightly. We're changing 2 things. This cutoff knob is at 142, and it's going up 47%. So we're capturing different frequencies here, and then we're also moving this wavetable position of 191 to get different tones and harmonics. I'm opening up this filter a little bit more than the original one. So that's the main difference. This one's darker, deeper, and then this one is higher. And yeah, and I can just add that same EQ and ROL to this one too, just to give it a little nice extra boost at the end. Our main is at about -8 LUFS, which is good. We're turning it up though here on the master with another Pro L 3. I can go to vocals, natural limiting, room cleaner. Yeah, so I'll show you. You can just make all kinds of different basses. You can use the wavetable position knob here. Over here. It's all slightly different, all different feelings. It's amazing. It's so fun. Hey. Yeah, it's so sick. So dope. Also, there's some other ones here in digital. These FM Freak, FM Splat. You can find all kinds of different cool harmonics and just experiment, you know? The OTT was adding that like weird crackle. Little crackle, so we're going to turn that off for now. Yeah, so you can just experiment, have fun. I like this FM one. Cool, so those are the basses. Now, the drum loop here. We got a kick, and we got our snare. You can see that we get perfect downbeat timing right on the one, but the second kick is hitting right before the snare, and it's not perfectly on beat. It's shifted, and it gives it more groove and bounce, how it's kind of off. So that's the loop, basically. It's bump, ba-bump, ba-bump, bump, ba-bump. The snare's cool. We got a tight snare. Get any tight EDM snare. I turn it down to -12, and then our main element is going to be a rim. The tight snare kind of just gives a little bit of punch, and then the rim is the main thing. And we're adding some reverb to this. Lots of. dry, and then add the reverb with default 1.2 seconds decay and 48% dry wet. Adds a lot of space, a lot of atmosphere. But these hats really are doing so much heavy lifting. Got a drum rack, right? So I can load up samples. And I found 3 that I like here. They're all relatively high in pitch, high in frequency. Some are tighter, like short, and then some are long. This one's a little bit lower pitched than the others too. So I want like 3 different hats, and then we'll add the other drums too. So the hats don't start right on the 1, they wait to the 1.2. And we have some cool grooves and rhythms. So this is on 1.2. And you see this, it's a little bit after the halfway point right here. So it's kind of shifted to the right from this halfway point. And then our next one's on 1.2.3 on a perfect number. And then this one's kind of off shifted to the right as well. So like every other hat is going to be a little bit shifted to give it more groove and bounce. And we're doing like little hat fills. So at the beginning, it's kind of like a fast hat roll. And then it kind of maintains a steady rhythm after that. And then little hat roll again, and then goes back to the like 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we want that main, it's going like high pitch and then low pitch. So it's going like up, down, up, down. So like roll, up, down, roll, different hats. And if you see, these are different velocities. So at the bottom, we're turning down some of these hats too. So it's like loud, quiet, up, down, lots of different movement with pitch and volume and different hats too. These rolls will spice it up, add that one cool extra hat. You can listen to this one. So I'll throw this one in during the rolls. You can see these rolls are just, slightly shifted. It was at the number, move it to the right. It's basically like that, This will take a lot of practicing and experimenting to start getting infinite rhythms and flows, but it's always fun to use the drum rack for your hats. Now that's it. Remember, this project will be in the Patreon. If you want the presets as well, those serum presets will be in the Patreon. I do lessons every day, so just hit me up if you want to get a private lesson. We can teach you whatever you need to succeed. And also, I'm working on my school, so very soon you're going to have access to all of the knowledge that I've ever learned in the past 10 years, and it'll be packaged nicely and very affordable. So get ready to go as far as you can. Reach the infinite. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hit me up. Peace.